Okay, another useful fact to be aware of for the semester exam is that the way these questions are written, you are strongly encouraged to use little g equal to 10 meters per second squared. Because, first of all, that makes the calculations a lot easier. Less chance of screw ups with the calculator buttons, less chance of really just about anything going wrong. So in this problem, for example, a stone is thrown vertically upward with an initial speed of 20 meters per second, which of the following is closest to its maximum height. This is a cake 3 problem, so v final squared is v initial squared plus 2a, I'll say delta y in this case. So your final speed, or your final velocity when you reach, the maximum height will be 0 squared, and then it's thrown initially at 20 meters per second squared plus 2, and then for g, I'm going to use negative 10 meters per second squared, and times h max. And what you'll get then is this is equal to 400 meters squared per second squared minus 20 meters per second squared times h max. And when you do the math, you'll get that h max equals 20. So it's going to be 400 divided by 20 is 20 meters. And see, I didn't have to pull a calculator out there at all. Whereas if you'd done it with 9.8, you'd have to pull it out. Now, the way it's written, notice which of the following is closest to the maximum height. So, first of all, the right answer is C, obviously. But it says which of the following is closest to its maximum height. If you did it with 9.8, you would get a little more than 20, maybe 21, maybe even less than that. And the one that's closest would obviously be 20. So you can do it. You can do the test, the exam, and get all the questions using 9.8 meters per second squared for g. But if you use 10, you'll be faster, less likely to make mistakes. You'll have either more time to check your work on this problem or more time to work on other problems. So all of the questions on the exam will work just fine with g equal to 10. And I strongly recommend you give that a little practice tonight so you get comfortable with it, and see what you can do without the calculator, because if you can do it without the calculator, usually better.